Anthropic launch cloud design products. That is the game changer for the UI UX designer. How you can access at the cloud design. So first, that is the document of the Anthropy like cloud design. You just go to, I just provide that link in the description. You can also go here, and that is the complete documentation. You can also read that how they work and XYZ. So first of all, how you can start that cloud design. So first of all, cloud design is available for the Cloud Pro and Max and Team Enterprise subscribers. Like if you have a free subscriber, you cannot use a cloud design. You need a Cloud Pro subscription. Yeah, Max and Extra included. Access included with the Pro and subscription limit. With the option continue to beyond enable extra usage if the cloud limit you are high, you can also use extra usage. I guide you complete in the next. For enterprise organizations, cloud design is off by the admin side. You can also enable if your organization, you can also enable that from that links. Start designing at the cloud AI like design. Just click here and you see that I log in my cloud design firstly. That is the some samples I built it before to make a video. So how you can test it out. So first of all, I will explain you the usage of the plan, the cloud design. So that is the plan usage limit. That is the current sessions. That is the weekly sessions, and that is the cloud design session. That is reset every 9 p.m. on Friday. You see that I use a 40% in just a 1 hour. It's very high. You see that that is the cloud design, that is the limit high, that use extra usage. You also add adjust limit. You can also use the adjust limit like $10. You can also credit your amount additionally with your subscription and with your extra like upfront payment. Like I use $20, you can also upfront with the payment like 20 more. And that weekly, you see that design session limit is high, that use the extra usage. If in your budget like $20 and $1 XYZ your budget with selected here. So let's go to the cloud design. You see that I write here my name, Nadir Prototype. You just see that the cloud design. What is the design system? You also make a design system according your need. You just go to the here, you create your according your design, yeah, according your brand, according your theme. You just ask them, and you can also integrate your GitHub repo. You can also link code from your computer. Like if you have a website, you have some UI code, you can also integrate them. You can also upload a Figma file. That all the options are optionals. Like you can also fonts, logos and assets, you can also drag and drop here. And after you just ask them the company name and blurs, like example of, you can also tell him like design system according with your brand and system. You just continue to the generation, and after you generate button click, and after 15 minutes they generate a design according your system. When that design, you see that you see here from here like default system, but in this case I pick the non, that is the wireframe. I just that is the prototype for the testing. How you can use that, that is the I write here my name Nadir, and uh, create a folder like drag files. That is the design system. You can also use that, start with according your need. That is the design system. You can also integrate them your design system, your skills. You can also use that. You need that how you can use that skills. You see that that is the animated video skills like interactive prototype, make a deck, make a quick front end design, wireframe, XYZ skills. That is the constant for the cloud design. That is the common. And you can also include the screenshot. You can also attach a code base. You can also add a Figma file. You can also use that. I just click off and also use a design system. I make animated video skills. You see that I pick that skills from here. You can also use Scratch, like you see that uh, uh, I build a form like form. You just go to the we build a form. Here's ID name. Uh, Here's I write the name. Uh, you see that I pick the boxes and I select four boxes from here, and the last one I in the green. I use like, and here's I write the name, and here's I write the phone number, and here's I write the email, and here's I write that notes. I just drag and drop, and here's I write the submit button. Sub that cloud analyze what I want. So first I go to the here and ask them, hey, I need a video animation form. I need a video animation video animation form. Send control plus enter, that send. That read my sketch. You see that that is reading my sketch, and that I use is the animation skills also, and that is my usage like 44 percentage, and I want to build a form like that. And that is the folders I created. That is my sketch, and here's the sketch details, and that build for the animated started design form for me. You see that the cloud make a file like prototype for me like video, and here's the name, and here's the phone number, email, and when I click that, that rotate and send that. You also export that file, and also you can also tweak that, comment them, hey, I need some changes in that submit button. And if you need edit mode, you can also edit that, like font and xyz need changes according with your size like submit button. You can also edit them, and you can also draw that, hey, I need the hair like a flower. You can also use that, and also 100% zoom, 50% zoom, you can also use that. But I use the present, the full screen, you can also use that. That is the tweak, you can also comment that, and here you can also advance changes if you need it. uh, that is the same. So now I use another skills. You see that again I go to the, and here's the I export that file like export as PDF, export as PPTX, send a Canva, export sandbox HTMLs, download a project as a zip. You can also use that and create your project as creativeness. Like, again go to the home. That is the slide tag, you can also use that, and slide tag, that is the similar. The prototype is the like the front, and here you can also use that, that is the form of the templates like animation template is the similar for the video generation. You see that the now the video, you see that, and here no any skills, create a form, and here the animated video skill also included, and here you can also use that animated video interactive prototype, make a deck, make a tweak tables, front end design. You can also use that according your need, and that is my design, and that is some examples. The cloud is built it. If you need that, like, you can also use that prompt, and that prompt, that liquidated gravity, and cell bloom, and that is the apps onboarding sign up flows. You can also see that how they work, like sign up, authentications about informations, pick up plan, which SaaS plan do you like, and here are the some chatbots, and it's awesome, like very awesome. Yeah, that is the calculator design. You can also use that prompt for the calculator. You can also edit and changes, like here the calculator kit. uh, you see that that is my 56% in just one form, that use a 12% usage, and after in a week that reset. That is very high. Well, so in this video, if you love that video, you like and share that video and subscribe my YouTube channel according the new videos.